How to add keyboard shortcut. Let's say I want to open a video in Subtitle Edit, and this is something I do a lot. Wouldn't it be better to add a keyboard shortcut for this command? To add a keyboard shortcut, just go to Options, Settings, Shortcuts. Here search for the command you want. In my case, it's Open Video File. Now select the command and at the bottom, add the shortcut. I want to use Ctrl Alt Shift E on my keyboard for this command, and click Update button, then click OK. Now every time I want to open a video, instead of going to Video, Open Video File, I just press Ctrl Alt Shift E. To edit a shortcut, go to Settings again, and select the command and change the shortcut, and click on Update button. Now the shortcut is updated and I can use Ctrl Alt E to open a video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.